Hi, it's been a very long while. Yesterday was Monday, and then I wasn't feeling good Monday, and then Sunday didn't work out because I wasn't feeling too good either. So I'm like starting to get over the little sinus issues. As I want to continue, there's a lot of stuff to go over with of what I've been writing. Oh, Joe, I hear you. Been super busy with school events, house stuff, been living my life a bit. And trying to focus on relaxing and being right on top of my life more and trying to do what's right. And right now I'm trying to gain my motivation into filming, which was my passion for filming videos. I do have an announcement. My camera, today is Tuesday, my new camera, which will be for vlogging. Okay, but yeah, I got a new camera that's coming in on Wednesday. I had to help my mom with something. I can't wait until I move out. Back in January, my boyfriend had bought a house and we closed on it on that following Thursday on March 12th, 2020. We've been talking about getting a house since around August of last year. And sorry if I'm looking down because I've written all of this stuff down. At the same time, I'm trying to talk to you guys real quick. Since then, with that being said, I have been busy moving my belongings in since March. And we both have had things come up, like event-wise. We've had the housewarming party. We've had 4th of July. We've had his birthday come up. Easter. A lot of other things, like project-wise with the house. We've been entirely busy for almost this entire summer. And it's about to even get busier with finishing the electrical and all that stuff. But anyways, since March, along the way, we both had a lot of different things come up. We've also had friends over, trying to relax, trying to make a living off our life. I have slowed down on moving my things along the way due to the COVID situation that started, I think the 3rd week of March. I've been working since then at Right Steps up in Lafayette. And my lack of focus has been because of the spring semester. My grandpa just passed away in April 16th this year. And I haven't had that much motivation at all. But anyways, it's been taking me longer to finish school. Sorry. I had to retake 3 courses, and it did make me realize that I need to work so much harder on my studies. I will be fully moved out and into my boyfriend's house, hopefully, in December, and have my degree by then and be able to walk in the spring of next year. Between the holidays and enjoying life, there are so many videos I will be working on soon. I was going to film, like I said, I was going to film in April, but I was struggling with school at the same time, seeing my grandpa before he passed. it has been an emotional roller coaster ride, and I am excited to get started back with YouTube. I kind of miss it. I miss my subscribers, because that was like my motivation to keep going and keep doing what I do. A lot of changes are coming to my channel, so if you guys see hints in the video, that is why. I do have a new intro. I'm still currently working on the outro, trying to get that figured out. And in the next video, I will be talking with someone as a surprise to something new, and that is possibly going to be new to everybody. I'm not going to announce it until the next video, but if you guys see hints, you guys may know. But like I said, my channel will be changing a lot with the content as I am getting ready to get my vlogging camera, which will be tomorrow. And it's got a lot of features on it that I do like. My cat's playing with my sandal. In a separate video, everyone who is subscribed or hasn't subscribed will see that in the videos. Though, however, I will be in the process of making videos, and my goal is to eventually get up to doing a full videos and be able to accomplish of doing it every day. Oh, so there's some other stuff that I've written like a while ago that I have not mentioned. As most of you guys know, I have not filmed since February. Between February and March. We have been focusing on the house and moving things in on the weekends. And that's the thing I forgot to mention, that I have been trying to move my things in slowly. So my room at my parents' house is halfway empty. Also, back in April, my dad and mom got 2 German Shepherds, Eris and Nix. And they are full paper, blooded German Shepherds. But anyways, that is it for my channel. If you guys would like to subscribe, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a single video of mine. Leave comments or like feedback or suggestions, and also go ahead and follow my social medias that I have down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys with somebody in the next video. Bye guys.